What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Junkyard Breaks. I've decided to open up what I have left of the 2018 Score hanger boxes on clearance from Walmart. I have 5 of them, and I don't know. I just they weren't that interesting to me. I had 5 others, and nothing really excited me about them. Lamar Jackson, obviously, was a good rookie. But yeah, I don't know. It's more like I'm getting rid of them. I don't know. It's just I'm not excited about them. So let's cut into them, see what we get. Because I think not only that, like the purple parallel just wasn't. I don't know. Not something to get super excited about. It's like one of those colored parallels that just adds like $1 to a base card price. It's not really something to get excited about. I'm just gonna open up all these, pull the single packs out, and you got Kelvin Benjamin on the top of that one, and Carson Palmer. I guess he was still playing in 2018. I guess must have been. Yeah, Kyler Murray didn't come until last year. Kendall Wright. Uh-oh. Am I gonna miss? Calvin White. The last one. Even the subsets in this, scoreboard, I forgot. It's like, they were all worth like $1. Nothing really stuck out except for Tom Brady, and he was like $2. That's it. Larry Fitzgerald's the last one. All right, let's see what we get. Obviously, we're looking for rookies. Kendall Wright, Kenny Galladay. Is this his rookie year? Maybe. Duke Johnson, no. So I think there's one purple, and then the rest are the I forgot. Julio, pull him aside. Tom Brady, I'll pull aside. Mason Crosby, Kelsey, Delvin Cook. This is his second year. Yep. Aaron Rodgers. I mean, some guys worth. I take stars, like major stars, that might not be worth a whole lot, but I like to stick them in team lots and sell them off. It's just a way to move them all at once. So I'll take a whole box of Packers and chuck a 30-cent Aaron Rodgers in there just to get them gone, because nobody wants that. Sad as that is. Yeah, these are alright. Logan Woodside rookie. So these are this is right before the purple. So this is like the other parallel, not numbered also. Kendall Wright. There's the purple, Robert Foster rookie. Okay, I mean, it'll be something. I'll pull those aside. Okay, now we get into the subs. McCaffrey, Russell Wilson, Trubisky, McCoy. That's not going to be worth anything. Michael Thomas will be. Sean Watson will be. Phillip Rivers. I remember last time I opened up, was it 5 boxes, and I got all minus 1. I got all the Tom Brady's sidelines, color rush, scorecard. I got them all, every single one of them. So that was nice. Dalton. There's Fantasy Stars and Russell Wilson and the Huddle Up. This is the sub rookies. These are nice. Geis, Gurley, Zeke, Ronald Jones. There's so many of them. Not complaining. Rashard Penny. So he wants Saquon. Is it Saquon? Lamar Jackson. And I guess Trubisky's in this set. Oh, what's his name from the Browns? Benjamin Lawrence. Zeke. I'll go through these again later and I always miss something and just pull out everything. Gronk, he's not worth anything at this point. Even his rookie's only worth like a buck or two. Cooper, Shepard, Reed, Villanueva. Alright, now we're getting our grays. And I get a kicker. Case Keenum. DeMarco Murray. And the purple is a Jordan Lasley. Okay. Well, like I said, I'll go through everything later. So here's the subs. Eli, Derek Carr, Gurley. Who's that? Goff. Prescott, and there's Brady. I know that card's worth a couple bucks. Beckett, once again, Beckett, so look at that, Brady again. Brady's probably the best one you can get out of all those subs, and then next is Russell Wilson. I think he's just like a quarter less. There's my, ooh, that's a nice one. So this sub Saquon, I think that's like $5. Beckett, Sam Darnold, that's another one. That was a good pull. Nope. I'll take another Saquon though. Yeah, I'm just gonna mix all these together because I will go through them again later. I always miss rookies, and not only that, because I'm a hardcore fantasy player also, and I really only pay attention to my own team. I don't, on the other side of the ball, the defensive side of the ball, that's where I miss the big rookies that I don't recall their names. There's Trubisky, so he's not a rookie in this set. Second year then. Yep. Wow, Woodhead's still playing at this time? There's Joey Bosa. There's Gurley, Edelman, Watson, Mahomes. That's going to be pulled. Alright, down to the gray cards. Jacoby Brissett. Was that Jameson Crowder and Kurt Benkert. Josh Norman is the purple. I mean, he's good. Let's see how it books, though. Alright, we got McCaffrey, Dalton, Julio, Luck. I guess Luck is still playing, too. Garoppolo's on the Niners, though. Has he been on my team that long? Roethlisberger, it's hard to tell because he hasn't actually played. He's been hurt so much. There's Adrian Peterson. Oh, I forgot he went to the Cardinals. Yep. Roethlisberger, Watson, Juju Smith-Schuster, Cam Newton, the huddle up. Is that Daniel Jones? Oh, Eli Manning. Daniel Jones is the night. He'll be 1 year from then. Connor Williams, Josh Allen. That's going to be a good one. He's good. I like him a lot in Buffalo. Let's see what we got. The rookies. Nope. None of the big guys. Maybe it's not Lamar Jackson. Maybe he's 17. Forgot already. Fitzgerald, Hall of Famer. He will be, without a doubt. If there's a shoe-in right now, playing right now, besides Tom Brady, Larry Fitzgerald. Mahomes again, so that's a nice repeat pack. I'm glad it's him. That's one I did not get a rookie of. I had just not bought football that year. I wish I had. What was that, a materials? Von Miller? Alright. It's a napkin. You know I love napkins. Melvin Gordon Gray, that's nice. Pierre Garcon. Is that Kerryon Johnson Gray? That'll be alright. And Levon Coleman Purple. Okay. Andy Dalton, Le'Veon Bell, still on the Steelers there. Deshaun Watson, and that's Cam Newton. And let's see. There's Sean Evans. DJ Chark, he's good. He's really good. Christian Kirk. He's on Arizona, right? Yeah. Right? Yeah. And off to Dante Pettis, he's good. There's Lamar Jackson. I knew he was in this set. Alright, cool. Pull him out later. And that is Maurice Hurst. Okay, last pack. I don't know why. I thought there was a materials in every... Maybe not. Just the purple is guaranteed every pack. No autos, though. That's another reason. You know, I just wasn't paying attention because there's so little packs available that, you know, I see a box of clearance. Now I'm being a little bit more selective, and that's why I bought a bunch of, what is it called? Absolute. It's got better picks, better random inserts than this stuff. Just after I had bought these, I got better things, so I just wanted to like move it. There is nothing here. The Breeze was nice though. I don't have a Breeze rookie either. Zerline. That's the second gray kicker I got. Wentz. Geis, he's good. And the purple. Ooh, that's going to be alright. Purple Melvin Gordon, Fantasy Stars sub. I bet you that's going to be a few bucks. Juju Smith-Schuster. Goff. Fournette. Antonio Brown. Where does he end up? I say he goes to Seattle. That is my call. I'm calling it right now. Antonio Brown is going to play for Seattle. And he will be playing this year. Josh Gordon, on the other hand, I don't know. Let's see. Kerryon Johnson. Fitzgerald again. And Denzel Ward. And on to the rookies. DJ Chark is nice. Sony Michel is nice. Sam Darnold is nice. That's 3 really good ones in a row. Saquon. Nice. Austin Prohl. It's got to be his son. Went to North Carolina. Not Wake Forest. I wonder if... he's got to be. How many Prohls are there in the world? Alright. And he's a wideout, too. Maybe he's Ricky's son. Who I played with in a golf tournament. And he walked up to me and said, "Put out your hand." And I did. And he dropped his Rams Super Bowl ring. And it was like, boom. Biggest thing I've ever seen. That was really cool. Alright, guys. I mean, if anything, you know what the 2018 score football looks like for me from 10 boxes of this stuff. I've seen enough of it. Good rookie pulls, though, and Lamar Jackson rookies are definitely sought after, so they're nice to have. Like and subscribe. Comment below. Tell me how I'm doing. Let us know what we can do or what we should get. And I'll see you next time. Bye.